Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your flight out D and I'm back with another video. Y'all, it is chilly. It is chilly in this house. But hey, I figured I'd come to you with this video because I want to say right at the end of December, I did my declutter video of my eyeshadows. I also decluttered face palettes, but you did not see that. So now that my orders have come in from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, just some pre-orders and some things I bought in between November and January, these items have come in, and these are face palettes and eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be adding to my collection, and I just want to show them to you. Now, some of these I got on some really good sales. Most of these I got on sale. And I told my husband that he should be proud of me, and he was like, you missed the memo. When you buy so much, it's not really a sale. So I'm like, dude, I didn't know that. So that's what he thinks. I feel like I saved some money. All right, y'all, no particular order because everything in here is all mixed up. Let me show you. These are all of them. So let's go ahead and get started. If you did not see my eyeshadow declutter, I'll link it up above. I did like 4 videos where I went through my whole collection and showed my collection and decluttered some. Alright y'all, let's get started. I have face palettes and eyeshadow palettes here that I have been receiving in from when I bought them from the end of November until now. So I just want to show you them before I put them up. The first one is this one. It is from Shroud Cosmetics. It's the first palette I just said I'm going to try the brand out. However, I never got it. I sent them emails and they have been kind of MIA. I am going to check my bank statement just to see if they refunded me the money, because it seems like something's going on with that brand. Alright, moving on. Everything else I have here. First off, we might as well start here with ColourPop. I have 2 from ColourPop. The first one is this 1111 palette. It is so pretty, y'all. Doesn't have a mirror, but these are the shades. Very pretty, a nice neutral. It's also a warm, a little cool tone in there. Very nice. I also got their latest release, the Golden Hour palette. This is the packaging it comes in. And the eyeshadow palette looks just like the packaging. You know when something says golden, it's right up my alley. Once again, no mirror. But these are the shades for that one. Very pretty, pretty, pretty. I also shopped at 13 Loon, which is a shopping place full of black and brown creators or entrepreneurs and their beauty products that they have out on the market. So from them I bought this face palette from Minty Makeup. It's called Nothing But Nudes. It's face palette, and it is so beautiful. I did declutter some face palettes, but you guys just didn't see it. I did all my other decluttering off camera. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. Very pretty, and definitely for brown girls. Alright, next up, let's see what I have. Oh, I did get this from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Sultry palette. You know, I do have the full palette, but they came out with this one, this travel size one, and I love the color so much. I figured that would be a great travel palette for me, because these shades are the perfect shades for me to travel with. So pretty. They picked some good choices out of the entire palette. I'm glad I have the big one and now this small one too. Okay, what else I got? Okay, I got this. Ruby Kisses. I got this off Amazon. This is their makeup palette Creme Brulee from Ruby Kisses. Beautiful golds and neutrals. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's see. You already saw this. I got this from Alamar Cosmetics. I got their box. And this is the Destino palette. This is what it looks like. I did a video about this. Oh, I also got a new one from from DD Signature. You know, they released a Christmas palette that sold out, and then they did a back pre-order. So I got that in the pre-order, which is the Jingle Bell Ruby palette. Oh, I can't get this thing out. All right, and it looks the same as a sleeve. Has a mirror. And these are the shades. Green and purple. Green and purple. Oh, I dubbed my finger in that. Doggone it. Alright, and I also got something from Adept Cosmetics. I got two things. The first one I got is the Element 115 palette, the alien one. These are the shades. I really like the mattes in this. They are pretty. So these are those shades. And I got the Catrice white highlighter palette. You know, they have two highlighter palette. So I got this one. Another thing that I had on pre-order that I was waiting for is this one, this Harvest Moon palette from Inslee Rain. Y'all, I'm so excited. So excited to use this one. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to dig into this one. Oh, I said I got one more color pop. I did end up getting the Smoking Hot palette. I said in one of my videos that the one of the 9 pans was just a miniature version of this one, the Smoking Hot, and I was like, ugh. I felt like I did with the BK Beauty one. And I was like, I want all the colors. I want them all. I want all the shades. So that's that one. I have another big one of these, a color pop. I like this one better. I like this one so much better. And y'all, look what I finally got in. Yay, 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 yay. Yeah, this is the Cosmic Brushes Winter Wonderland palette. Their holiday release. Yeah. This palette is beautiful. This palette is so beautiful. I almost didn't get it because I was like, I wear blue like that, but I don't care. I want to have this as an option. I can use anything. You just dip into this. It's just too beautiful not to have. Love it. Another one I got from Ace Beauté. I got their Mystic Romance palette. This one here is so pretty. Really a Valentine's Day-ish. A Valentine's Day type theme. So beautiful. I cannot wait to dig into that. Next step, I got the from Luna Beauty, which is one of my favorite formulas. I ended up getting the Siren Sunset. So I had a lot of palettes to choose from with the blue theme, and I decided on this one and the Cosmic Brushes one. It is so beautiful. These are all raised. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is their holiday release. Beautiful. I also got one from Sydney Grace. Also one of my favorite brands. That's Love's Journey. And you know, they have dark and deep. So this is the deep version. Nice neutral palette. Now I also have two here from Kaleidos. These are their okay, these are their Futurism palettes that they're discontinuing. I already have 3, so these are the other 2 that they have. They did have one that was neon that is no longer available, so I never got that, and probably for the best because I want to use it. This one is the Futurism 6 Lunar Lavender. Then I have Futurism 5, and this is Electro Turquoise. So pretty. I also got one palette from Glamlight. It's the Hershey's Milk Chocolate palette. And look at that. So pretty. And I am really debating. I'm debating going back and get that Rick and Morty since so many people talking about how great it is. Okay, 2 more palettes. The first one is from Unearthly Cosmetics. It's the Sorcerer's Smoke palette. I think this was their spooky palette, but I'm not sure. But it is so beautiful. Just my type of palette. Very nice. And the last one I got is from Gourmand Girls. It is the Silent Night palette. Looks the same as the sleeve. And there it is. Yeah, that's all, y'all. These are the eyeshadows and the face palette. Eyeshadows. These were the eyeshadow palettes and face palettes that I'm adding to my collection. And you're going to notice there's not going to be much more being added because I am going on a low buy. I know nobody believes me. Nobody believes me. But this year is different. I'm using what I got. So if you're new here and you like videos where people are using, they're shopping their stash and using what they have with a few purchases now and then, this is the place for you. I would love it if you subscribe. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for all the ones who are here, who have subscribed. I really appreciate you. And you guys who are visiting, I appreciate you too. Go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. So until I see you in another video, stay fly, sis.